I'm going to list some abbreviations here. First of all, DARPA has a GRIN project. What that stands for is Genetic Robotic Information Nanoprocesses, which also has many other substrates to that. And in the Transhumanism Human 2.0 positive citations, A Human is a hybrid of latest neurobiology data aimed to implement human personality by computer programs, and that started in 2008 through independent research. The Blue Brain Project, which is also paired and geared towards Bluebeam advancements, is an attempt to create a synthetic brain by reverse engineering the mammalian brain down to the molecular level. HNet, holographic neural technology, is a technology by an artificial neural devices corporation based on nonlinear phase coherence and decoherence principles. The hierarchical temporal memory is a technology by Numenta to capture and replicate the properties of the neocortex. Recursive cortical networks is a technology by Vicarious that uses a probabilistic graphical model inspired by the structure of the nanocortex. Visual hierarchical modular neural networks is a software technology by Tin Man Systems, which visually constructs a flow of human thoughts and logic to produce autonomous artificial intelligence streaming. AILEENN, Artificial Intelligence Logic Electronic Emulation Neural Networks, is an entire new cloud-based PaaS platform that serves as a service and IaaS infrastructure for AI represented in a ubiquitous entity based on neural networks and fuzzy logic with universal inputs, outputs, and actuators aiming to the democratization and human-like interactions as the ultimate resource planner, decision-making process, and actuator by the inventor and founder of TD Vision. And this reminds me of Stalkers, because that is also Stalker's game, is to draw you in or out or engage you in some way. SYC, or Psych, is an attempt to assemble an ontology and database of everyday knowledge enabling human-like reasoning. And this has already revamped itself into the ontogenetic field. Eurisco is a language by Douglas Lynott for solving problems consisting of heuristics, including some for how to use and change its heuristics. HEURISTICS. Mycin, MYCIN, is an early medical expert system that's also been revamped and rebooted. NEIL is an attempt to assemble a common sense knowledge base from processing random images from the internet. Open Mind Common Sense is a project based at the MIT Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the Media Lab to build a large common sense knowledge base from online contributions. PAN is a publicly available text analyzer that also can zip and unzip quantum fields now, and is also used for teleportation technology. Quetzin uses query by example and features a dictionary knowledge base, respiratory reference, and thesaurus. PAN also stores databases of CRISPR 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Siri, we all know what that is. They label it as an intelligent personal assistant knowledge navigator with a voice interface. SNEPS, simultaneously logic-based, frame-based, and network-based knowledge representation, reasoning, and acting system. SNEPS. Watson was a question answering system developed by IBM to play the Jeopardy game show initially. And that's also now used as a revamped CPU unit. Wolfram Alpha is an online service that answered factual queries directly by computing the answer from structured data capable of responding to particularly phrased natural language facts-based questions. So these have all been upgraded into brain-based systems, avatar systems. The European Union Brain Project has U.S. scientists launching projects called Brain Research through Advanced Innovative Neural Technologies, and the Human Genome Project all pairing together to form this anomalistic, accordion-like puzzle piece network for the brain chip builders of the Beast system. and co-directed by transhumanist George Church. And Brain plans to map every neural connection within the human body, called the connectome. So they're trying to form their own synthetic avatar system and trap people into cloud-based reality systems.